Teleport to landing gear. Verify the landing gear. And make sure the safety devices are in place. Place wheel chocks for front landing gear. Place wheel chocks for rear landing gear. Place wheel chocks for rear landing gear. Check if the parking brake is on. Cockpit view, when the parking brakes are on. Examine the height. Do not tow the aircraft if the height is more than 300 mm. After positioning ground towing control lever, install the pin. ECAM page. Cockpit view. Before the pin was installed. After the pin is installed. Cockpit view. OCCAM page. OCCAM pressure pointer is in the green range, on the yellow brake pressure triple indicator. Teleport to tow bar. Ensure that the tow bar has a damping system. Caution! Ensure the tow bar has a shear pin and it is not broken. Shear pin prevents the aircraft from being mishandled by the tug. When overstressed, the shear pin will snap, disconnecting the bar from the nose gear to prevent damage to the aircraft and tug. Caution! Ensure the tow bar has 2 calibrated turn shear pins. This is to prevent high loads causing damage to the landing gear. Touch to move the tow bar towards the aircraft. Click next to attach tow bar with aircraft, and move the tractor to the dock position. Click to connect the tow bar to the tractor. Remove the wheel chocks for front landing gear. Remove the wheel chocks for rear landing gear. Remove the wheel chocks for rear landing gear. Teleport to safety area. Instruction of parking brake. Cockpit view, when the parking brakes are on. All the doors and hatches must be properly closed, and air bridge retracted. The movement of the aircraft when the brakes are on, can cause damage to the door. Do not tow the aircraft with a nose wheel steering angle greater than tow angle. For aircraft 65 degrees on each side of the aircraft centerline. Damage to the steering housing can be caused. Instruction 3 meters. 3 meters, that is 10 feet, must be kept clear around the nose wheels, tow bar and tractor when the aircraft moves. Instruction speed limit. For the speed limitations, refer to your aircraft maintenance manual. Instruction towing angle. The maximum permitted steering angle on each side of the aircraft centerline is 95 degrees, when you use the front fittings to push the aircraft rearwards with engine at idle. This angle is limited to 40 degrees. Instruction: towing procedure. Once the aircraft is being towed, two other persons must monitor the wingtips during the towing operation, and one person is required in the cockpit in order to operate the brakes. When you complete the towing operation, animation effects will be added to show that the aircraft is being observed while being towed. Make sure that the nose wheels are aligned with the aircraft's centerline. Inform the cockpit to apply the parking brake. Check if the parking brake is on. Click to disconnect the tow bar. Touch the hand pump to lower the tow bar wheel until it touches the ground to release the weight load. Touch the hook to remove tow bar from the plane. Click to connect the tow bar to the tractor. Click to remove the pin. ECAM page. Nose wheel steering disconnected message disappears. Congratulations! You have successfully completed pushback tractor training. Press home button below to close simulation.